Let me show you the installation process of GAF store pickup and delivery Shopify app. Let's click on the install button. Install app. Now choose the best plan for your store. Let me choose plus plan for my store. Approve the charge. Okay. Now set up the widget configuration. Let me select all options. Select store languages. If you have multiple language, you can select multiple language. Click next. Uncheck this option. Scroll down. Here it's already unchecked. Click next button. Active the widget on theme. You can change the theme also here. Debut, test, done live. Is already activated. Click the save configuration button. Okay. Now we are landing on location page. Go to the dashboard. Here you can see the steps. Let's see, enable the widget theme. Yes, we did it. Showing the widget on cart page. Let's check. Go to the front end. Go to the catalog. Add any product into cart page. It's done. Go to cart page. Here we can see the widget, but still location not showing here. Let's enable the location. Showing the widget. Yes. Go to the location. Edit the location. Enable the click and collect option. Date picker and time picker. Select the time from and to. Also you can set time frequency here. Let's enable the local delivery time slot. You can add a new time slot. Save it. Let's refresh the page on front end. Let's see the local delivery. Yes, we can see the calendar and time slot. Go to the click and collect option. Here we can see the location, time slot. Select the time slot and check out. Go to the dashboard again. It's done.